trees meet the sky. There's a whistle on the wind when the hawks fly by. A dusty garage and a bed of hay, that's where they found old Frankie one day. Scratched up ears and a lion's heart, took in a crew and made his mark. With feathers and fur they roll non-stop, willow, holly, blueberry and the cat on top. Frankie's flock taking off at dawn, wings in the wind and roosters on the fence. Out in the wild where the kind hearts rock, it's a whole new world with Frankie's flock. Yeah, purring loud, never gonna stop. Life gets real when you're rolling with the flock. Willow's the wise one, calm and cool. Holly's got sass and breaks all the rules. Blueberry chirps like a country tune, while Frankie's laid back, howling at the moon. They perch on shoulders, ride the breeze, under the trees, swinging with ease. Ain't no show, it's the realest talk. Straight from the heart, it's Frankie's flock. Frankie's flock, taking off at dawn, wings in the wind, and the coffee's on. Out in the wild where the kind hearts rock, it's a whole new world with Frankie's flock. Yeah, tails high and never gonna stop. All feels right when you're rolling with the flock. Feathers and fur, yeah, they stick like glue. Found family strong and loyal too. Tune in, lean back, let your heart unlock. You're flying with soul in Frankie's flock. Frankie's flock, heading for the light. Birds on the swing and the stars at night. Country charm with a feline jive. Welcome to the world of Frankie's flock. Yeah, come on in, this is your stop. Love runs deep with Frankie's flock.